And right now, the Boulder District Attorney is throwing out all pending cases involving minor marijuana possession. 7 News reporter Lindsey Sablan is asking questions at the DA's office. Lindsey, you found out why he's not waiting for Amendment 64 to become law.
And the district attorney says that minor marijuana possession cases aren't his focus, and this will only affect about 50 people. He went on to say that there are a number of reasons they chose to implement this immediately, but it comes down to being an ethical question.
Dismissing and not prosecuting.
Boulder County District Attorney Stan Garnett is not waiting for the governor's signature on Amendment 64. Instead, today he announced his office will dismiss open cases of marijuana possession of an ounce or less as long as the individual is 21 years or older.
Is expensive, it's complicated, and it's inherently random and unfair. And it also doesn't work very well.
Garnett says these minor offenses haven't been his focus since he took this position in 2009, saying his office handles about 20 possession cases a month. But 7 News asked.
It still is illegal, so again, why jump the gun and not wait until 64 passes January 5th?
Well, as I said, we have an ethical obligation never to pursue a case if we don't reasonably believe we can get a jury to convict.
Despite it being illegal still?
If we conclude that a jury is not going to convict on a case we present, regardless of whether it's technically illegal under the law, ethically we have an obligation to dismiss that case, and that's what we're going to do.
Those caught with pot rarely go to trial. Instead, a person has to appear in court and pay a fine. Supporters of 64 claim it will cut down on 10,000 arrests each year. But Garnett says that number is a stretch.
In Colorado, I just don't think that's right. Most of these cases are dealt with by a ticket.
Garnett says they will still prosecute cases where a person is caught driving under the influence of marijuana. Now, we checked with district attorneys in other counties. Denver, Larimer, and Jefferson counties tell us as of now, nothing has changed. Live in Boulder, Lindsey Sablan, 7 News.